Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and me myself is Google Ads, Bing Ads and Meta Ads certified along with SEO certification which I got way back in 2006. So I have a question today, so let's get answer on it. And just to let you know that I help companies with Google Ads solutions, Google Ads management, Google Merchant Center, Google Business Profile, SEO, also web development and landing page service. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's move forward to the question. Google Ads leads. Hi Ali, I run ads for our local service clients, high ticket offer, and lately we have been getting a strange pattern in lead quality that driving us nuts. Let me trying to understand. Okay, wondering if you or your clients has experienced this or has advice. Okay, we are running standard search campaign with lead form and another landing page form. Here, what's happening? A lead comes through, looks legit. We call the lead quickly within minutes. Then one of the following happens. No one answers ever. No response to voicemail or a text either. Someone answers but says they never submitted their info or didn't remember doing so. C. Someone picks up but the name doesn't match the lead form at all. For example, their form says whale but a totally different person answers. Okay. So we have double checked the form is working and tracking correctly. That's good. There is no spammy third party form filler or click fraud as far as we can tell. How you can tell? The campaign is targeting only within our geo radius, no display network. We are excluding irrelevant keywords. It's like the data we are getting doesn't match reality. We have even thought it could be spam bot, lead farms, Google forms being abused, third party scrapping info. Any idea? Are there better ways to filter out junk leads or verify form integrity? Should we be using two-step verification, honeypots, or switching up lead capture entirely? Would love to hear if you have gone through this and how you have solved. Thanks in advance. Okay, so you have got a pretty long question you have. Okay, so first of all, for those who don't know, the local service ads are different. They run like this. This is a local search ads, and this is one of the campaign over here. But when you said that you are running a standard search campaign, it means that you have connected a Google business profile with your Google ads, and you are not running through the Google local ads. So okay, it's fine. Either way is fine. But I'm trying to see what it could be. Okay, as pointed out, you are saying that there is a click fraud. So how you are assuming that there is a click fraud? It is not necessary that there is a click fraud. There could be a click fraud, but it is not necessary. But yeah, I'm thinking, so let me answer. It definitely it's a click fraud. Now to answer the click fraud, it seems like your competitor is filling out their details, wrong details, and you may be surprised. Okay, the best idea is your tracking insights. Google Analytics can work better. However, I have a different solution. Let me open that solution and show to you. For instance, I've been using Stat Counter over here. So what I like about Stat Counter is their tracking. They have various tracking facilities offered, and you may see over here that I can even do visitor path tracking, and I can see over here that how much time they are spending and how much sessions are over there. If there is someone who is actually coming again and filling your form, this can actually tell you on where it's coming and if it's spending a lot of time. If you see some IP which is spending a lot of time, the chances are that we may need to block that IP. So that could be someone who is doing filling on your lead. So I assume that this is a very good tool, and this can even look up for your IP addresses. You see your visitor map, see your visitor relation, how often they are coming, and also you can use heat map. Now the technology of the heat map is different. What happens is that it can pinpoint someone who is opening a particular or spending time in a particular location, and if you see a single IP who is spending a particular time on a same place through heat map or through the stat counter visitor activity, if you may see that there is a single IP who is coming and again on a specific page and spending time, or have a lot of page views, like this has 2 page views. And you can also do researching over here by copying your IP and doing IP lookup over here in the IP lookup and check around his behavior. This may can tell you on if there is any IP who is doing it. So we may need to add that IP in our IP exclusion. This could be a very good way to filter out someone doing it. Now, because you said that spam boots or lead forms, now this also depends upon the quantity. For instance, if you are getting hundreds of forms, while if you got 50 clicks and you got 200 forms, okay, I can understand this could be a spam bot. But if you have got 20-30 clicks, or you are getting 20 to 30 forms submissions, I believe that it's someone doing manually, most probably a competitor. However, if you feel like it's more than 30, then it's very good to use a two-step verification. This can also reduce if someone doing automated, and with the IP behavior you can even find that as well and simply block that IP. So this could be a very good solution for your question and concern. And but if you need a detailed audit of your Google Ads account, or if anyone of who is listening to this video needs a detailed audit of their Google Ads account, if the Google Ads campaign is not working, or in case if they need help with Google Ads management setup services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we'll be happy to look around. So yeah, I hope you like the solution. Still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.